We don't want to have, and down, we don't want to have that happening. We don't want the shoulders elevated, so make sure that whatever you're using, that the shoulders are not in that position, that they're being hitched up. Can you take your arms over your head, just nice and casually? So what we're looking for in the movement is from here through to here, that there's about there, that there's really no or very little movement through the ribs, because we should be able to move through to 165 independently. What we don't want to see is these lifting up before 165. And at the end, we want to see movement so that the arms can come to rest back here beside the ears, which is pretty much what we've got. This one's a little tighter than this one. You can see the heights. Well, actually, it looks like it's tighter when I'm standing over it, but yeah, it does feel tighter.
Take the towel. The towel, I must say, yeah, I feel like the towel's not
Okay, so
my
lift.
shoulders. Looks like it might be a little bit.
Okay, try again.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so
Good range though.
has got pretty good range. I'm going to over pressure. This one actually feels tighter when I'm looking at the over pressures. So that's our test for what we're doing here as practitioners. When I've got a client that I'm going through my assessment stuff, I'm just going to go and have a look at whether they've got strength to hold that arm back there. So I'm just going to take one arm over, all the way back, hold it backwards. Don't let me lift it up. Hold it backwards, hold it backwards. So see how there's very little there? So there's a recruitment issue between left or anterior and posterior. Taking the arm back. Hold it backwards, don't let me lift it, hold it backwards, hold it backwards. Maybe a little bit stronger on this side.
Yeah.
Not fabulous, but a bit better. So the region, so that's the test we've got up there. Oh, it's very serious, and so does Patty. The regions that we're going to actually wake up are all the way through around the anterior cage of the thorax. So this can be a little bit ticklish, it can be very